Yes, it's pouring down. Don't worry, I'm not out in it. Come on. Whoa, man, that's cool. Woo! I think it's dying down now anyway. There's a big mess of one area. I think I made up a boo-boo. So, don't worry, I'm in my back garden and I'm just showing you the flashes and all that, so, yeah. Whew. My God, man. I'm gonna put this on YouTube as well. Yeah, why not? I might, depends. Give me one more flash. Come on, give me one more flash. If you don't know how does thunder create, it's cold, very cold up in the sky, and down here is very warm. So, whoa! Woohoo! That was wicked! Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this on Facebook now, or on YouTube, and I beg you back if this is rated quite hard. See you. Bye!